Hi everybody, this is CR number 10, helper video number 5. First thing we're going to do to start this problem is we are going to go ahead and rewrite it down here. It says if 2x minus 41 equals 13, then you need to find the value of x. Well, remember, our goal right now is to get x by itself. We need to get the x by itself, which means we need to get rid of this 2 that's attached to it and this subtraction of 41 that's also attached to it. When we are working with two-step equations, the first thing we do is we work on addition and subtraction. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to build my ladder here, and then I'm going to ask myself, is anything being added or subtracted from the variable? Hopefully you can see that this 41 is being subtracted from the x. So the opposite of a negative 41, or the opposite of subtracting 41, is adding 41. And the reason why we're doing the opposite is because we want to get this value to be 0. If it is 0, then that helps me to get the x by itself. But remember, anything I do to one side of the equation, I need to do to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and add 41 on this side as well. These cancel out because negative 41 plus 41 is 0. And I'm left with just a plain old 2x on this side. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. And then I have 13 plus 41. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now I have 2x equals 54. Hopefully you are remembering that when you have a coefficient in front of a variable with nothing in between, it means multiplication. So I'm going to go ahead and put that dot there. And the opposite of multiplication is division. And the reason why I'm dividing both sides by 2 is because that way I can get x by itself. Because 2 divided by 2 is just a fancy form of 1. And that's what I want on that side, 1x. And there it is. I bring down my equal sign, and then 54 divided by 2 is 27. You can put that into your calculator if you would like, or you can do long division, which would look like this. 2 goes into 5 2 times, that's 4. I subtract, I bring down my 4. 2 goes into 14 7 times, and that's how I'm getting that value of 27. So good luck on that question. You've got this.